today, we are answering what does it mean to be a citizen of the world. Being a citizen of the world refers to having a sense of responsibility to the global economy, social and environment. As an individual citizen, there are several ways to contribute to the economy. By being responsible consumer, by supporting sustainable products, local products and service. And sa pagbabayad ng taxes na nakakatulong sa economy ng isang bansa, dahil dito nanggagaling ang pondo ng gobyerno sa pagtatayo ng business. It is a source of jobs and opportunities. And sa business naman, businesses contribute to the overall economy output by producing goods and service. Social responsibility involves recognizing our interconnectedness as human beings. When you have empathy and respect, you are a global citizen.
Be transferred to the
By making positive behavior and actions, each one of us has the capacity to become global citizens. Any age, you can start with something as simple as searching a new country or making friends with other people.
I am a youth leader, and being a global citizen means serving your purpose in this world. Know that every one of us has a purpose, may it be in the academe, workplace, or in our community. Just like every other students, I too have a purpose, and to lend my voice to a multitude of causes is probably my greater calling in life, as I always believe that service to humanity will always be the best work of life. I am an advocate for children's rights and welfare, youth empowerment, and marginalized in our community. It is like giving representation on matters directly affecting us, most especially the children and my fellow Filipinos. I know that I am serving my purpose as a global citizen, to be a voice and be a catalyst of hope and inspiration. And with these avenues, it made me realize that our micro efforts will have a macro effect in our community.
Preserving and being responsible to the environment, you are a global citizen. As a citizen of the world, it is our shared responsibility to protect the environment, making mindful choices and taking actions that preserve nature for present and future generations. We have a duty to protect and care for our environment, making choices that minimize harm and promote sustainability for healthier planet and brighter future. As a citizen of the world, it is our duty to be responsible steward of the environment. We must cherish and protect our planet, making conscious choices to reduce waste, conserve resources, and minimize pollution. By adopting sustainable practices in our daily lives, supporting renewable energy, and advocating for environmental protection, we can create a greener and healthier future. Let us unite in preserving biodiversity, combating climate change, and promoting a sustainable lifestyle. For the well-being of the earth and all its inhabitants, together we can make a lasting positive impact and leave a thriving planet for the future generations.